Now, after 3 high-speed and 1 car park drift event, the 2025 Scott Auto Q8 Oils Drift Ruption Series had its final last Saturday at the Pines Plaza in Junction, St. Elizabeth, where Cleve Cutta was crowned champion. Cleve Cutta was crowned champion.
For the titles and the prestigious Jamaica Drift King crown, which saw each driver navigating themselves at high speed through the obstacles. They had fans screaming to every turn. After 3 rounds on the night, the man who stood out the most was Cleve Cutta Throughout the series across Jam West and Dover Raceway, Otti has never led over the 4 races. But on the night, he was unstoppable and almost perfect as he came out winner of the series to be crowned the 2025 Drift King of Jamaica with 100 points and a massive 354 points.
Cleve Cutta performance was nothing short of the best thing we have seen since drifting was introduced to Jamaica. He started out, came 4th in the first round. He eventually moved up to 3rd at Dover, and then he won the 3rd round back at Jam West. And then his car was giving some issues, he said, and he sorted out, and he came with all guns blazing for the finals. He gave the crowd a treat, he gave everyone that was expected, and he did deliver, and he truly deserved the title of Drift King for 2025.
King to the Scott is the organizer of the Drift series, and he was elated with the support they received.
Patrons enjoyed themselves 100%, and they can't wait and asking for the 2026 series, which will be announced soon.
Now, according to Scott, one of the additions to next season is to improve the number of drivers.
So what we plan to do, we want to break it down in 2 categories, pro and pro spec, so that some of the lesser drivers feel more competitive entering with smaller cars. We want to just get the whole drift community involved. I don't want some drivers to feel that because they doesn't have the power that these cars has now, they don't have a chance. So we are having it in 2 categories, so even a small powered car can be comfortable competing.
Stephen Samuels garnered 90 points for 2nd place, and Kevern Gale finished 3rd with 80 points on the night. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sport.